Gnocchi, zucchini, and saffron. This is a good appetizing dish that's easy to prepare, but I have to pay attention to small details, particularly the potatoes. The use of the potatoes, the gnocchi, are the protagonist. We can't use new potatoes because the potatoes need to be dry. So when I make the gnocchi dough, it won't absorb too much flour. The sauce is made with only zucchini. I eliminate the heart of each zucchini because it contains a lot of water, and I add saffron. When I dress the gnocchi, I add fresh tomatoes, diced tomatoes. So, a slightly acidic note. I mix it all together with aged ricotta. This savory accent together with the other ingredients creates a harmonious blend which allows the gnocchi to stand out. So let's get started. To cook the potatoes, we have three possibilities, beginning with cold water, which is this case, wrapped in aluminum foil and put in a 130-degree oven or in a classic vapor oven. To make the dough, we'll use room temperature potatoes so they absorb less flour. Once the gnocchi have been prepared, we can cook them immediately or freeze them and cook them while still frozen. We'll make an X in the base of the tomatoes and peel them with this easy technique. We'll place them in boiling water for 10 seconds and then into cold water. In addition to the aged ricotta, we can grate raw zucchini on the dish to bring out the vegetable flavor.